Yo, till the tetcher in the lab, multimeter on deck. Test the cap, check that DO, fix it up, no sweat. DIY kings from fans to fridges we repair. Grab your tools, let's troubleshoot, welcome to the lair. We're the wizards of the circuit, turning faults to gold. With a twist of our hands, all the stories unfold. Electric dreams will ignite the spark. In this world of wires, we'll make our mark. Diagram in my head, I see it crystal clear. Soldering iron hot, let's bring that voltage near. From flickering lights to appliances that hum. With a little bit of patience, we'll make the systems run. Take a breath, every plan unfolds, creating bonds and futures ours to hold. Resist the doubt, let the currents flow. In the realm of repair, we'll always steal the show. Let's break it down, one piece at a time. In this workshop of wonders, everything's in its prime. We're the wizards of the circuit, turning faults to gold. With the twist of our hands, all the stories unfold. Electric dreams will ignite the spark. In this world of wise, we'll make our mark. So join the crew, the fixes we'll embrace. In the heart of innovation, we'll find our place.
Teacher dito, oh, 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 oh. Multimeter tayo. Test that part, ayos na, let's go. Welding machine sira, voltage pababa na. Probe mo yan, nakita na kapasitor lumaki. It's arte, sira na to, palitan mo lang. Power on, ayos na agad bro. Laptop fan, umiingay, motor hindi na umikot. Omit out, ilube mo back to smooth, no doubt. Teacher, test at ayusin, tayo'y magsasama. Multimeter sumasayaw, probe sa laban na. Troubleshoot ng ingay, i-repair ang kidlat. Iayalit halax, liwanag sa dilim natin. Teacher, mag-subscribe, i-like mo na. Ayusin natin lahat, kahit saan ka pa. Transformer, umuungol, continuity wala. Windings maikli, palitan, walang drama. Appliances patay, walang kuryente, hanapin mo. Fuse na sira, relay stuck, now it's running smooth, yo. Test lahat ng parts, skill mo lalago.
Teacher fam, comment below.
Sabihin mo, ano susunod na fix, sama-sama tayo.